Hello, everybody. I have something that I want to share with you guys today. Today, we're going to talk about you knowing your worth as a photographer and providing quality service to your client. And I want to show you guys a sample invoice that I would send to a client when they book with me. This is my process, how things work for me, and how I operate. This may not work for everybody, but this is how things work for my needs. So, a lot of things you have to do is factor in your overhead costs and things like that, your cost of doing business. But for me, this is what works for me in my current state of my professional photography services. So, excuse my throat. I'm have like some type of cold or something. It's weird, but let me get this video out for you guys. So let's just say a client books with me. My original process is we have a consulting session, or I have a application that they fill out, and based on their application, I'll know whether they are a good fit for my services, because I shoot beauty and boudoir photography. So I'm all for the empowerment of women and helping them feel great about themselves. So that's one of the services that I'm passionate about, and that's why I provide what I provide to my clients. So my booking fee is $300. And then this is just to hold your date on my calendar and your calendar as well, or the client's calendar. Just holds the date and really gives them that level of commitment that everything's going to be great and we're going to work well together. And $100 of that $300 goes towards their print packages that they purchase. So really, the booking fee is only $200. And from there, we go on with I get my team together, makeup and hairstylist. My makeup is generally done by my wife, but we also have four on calls. The people that I work with are industry certified professionals. So their pricing is $125 for makeup and $150 for hair. And that's part of the quality of service that I provide to my client. Studio rental, this is optional because sometimes I work out of my home, but this studio that I found is great because they charge a $200 flat rate for a full 8 hour day shoot. So that way I can go in, I know that I have all the time needed to get the shoot done. And liability insurance, I offer this as well. This is to make sure everybody on set is covered for anything. So this is also an optional service, but a lot of times people do want to get it because they want to be certain that they are going to be safe. So because we're working with lots of equipment and things like that. Um, my highest selling collection is my Hollywood collection, which is prints. I can't stress enough how important it is to provide prints for your clients. Um, I used to be that shoot and burn photographer, and it took me a while to learn this, but providing prints gives you a tangible product to give to your client, and that adds to the value and emotional connection that they have between their shoot that they had with you. So, digital files are also included with the purchase of prints. I don't just send digital files, and that is because digital files they're very valuable. In film days, you would consider digital files as your film negative. And if you're just giving your negatives away, you are excuse me, devaluing your work. So I don't give digital files out only. I give them along with print purchase. And plus, anyway, if you were to have just give digital files, what's there to happen when your client uh, loses their phone if their digital files are on their phone? If they lose their phone, they lose those images. They have a website or like cloud service if that cloud service goes down, guess what? They lose their images. But what happens when you have a physical product to give them? They have their images for the lifetime, a lifetime. So that's why having physical prints are actual worth value that you give to your clients. So for example, this shoot, the budget cost was $2,772. So that's if the client went with everything that was provided for my services. So if you found value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments box. I'll be glad to help share my knowledge with you and help you find your value as a working professional photographer. So, till then, you guys have a great day. Later.